Hello everyone, well it has been a while, well what a journey since I last done a video. Right, so let me talk about what I'm going to do, Okay, so this week has been sent to me. God, it's a mess. I have been brushing this like you would not believe. So I do a lot of restyling for people and yeah, I've got to say a couple of things about when you're sending wigs to me. I don't mind brushing them out and stuff, but glue, could we talk about glue for a minute? If you're not going to use spirit gum, could you please remove it before you send it to me? Oh my god, if you could see what, like, this is going to ruin this wig block. Let me put it that way. Anyway, right, okay, so what we're going to be doing, I've been given free reign to do whatever I want to this wig, which is, I think it's pretty cool, because I can do whatever I want. It's great. So if you can see, there's not much movement to it. It's a bit wank, if you're going to be honest. So like I said, I've been given free reign. Now with this queen that owns this, I've been watching her on Instagram and stuff, and I've seen that if I create too much height and not enough width, her face looks really super long. So I'm going to give her a little bit more width. So see these front areas, the Alanis Morissette bits, yes, there's no shape there whatsoever. It's a bit ironic if you ask me. I am going to put lots of layers into this, but obviously I can't get a brush through this now. So what have I got to do? I've got to straighten it. Now if you go back to my other videos, I love this, I sound like a freaking pro. Go back to my other videos, you will see where I did a little tutorial on it. Yes, you'll be able to find out how to steam it and everything else. I'm not going to bore you with it now because I want you to watch the other video because it goes into depth about how to do it. And plus it might take me a little while. So I'm going to come back to you when this is straight and I'm going to show you a really quick, easy way to vamp up some layers in the front of your wig. See you in a few minutes. Well, bless me Father, for I have sinned. It has been 2 weeks since I've done this video. I'm so sorry. I could have edited it to make it look like I had just literally split a second, but my hair's grown and everything since. I've had loads going on. I'm so sorry. I had orders to get done. Right, okay, so back to this wig. So as you can see, I have straightened her out and she looks like new again. This is the way you want her to be. But this cut that I'm going to show you is quite a universal cut, and I just feel like you can wear it in either side parting or whatever. So I'm just going to basically pull all the hair to the front point. So on my wig blocks, I've got on her throat, I've got one of my stickers there, and that's my centre point. I always use that. So always put a sticker or something in the centre point of your wig block so that you can see it. Or if it has got like a polystyrene front, which I can't really use, they do my head in. Love it. So usually have a feel with the noses because that's the centre point of her face. So yeah, so like I said, I've got a sticker on the centre of her so I know where I'm going. With that being the centre point, I'm going to be bringing all the hair to the centre, and then with the side areas as well here, I'm going to be pulling them out. I'm just watching myself in the mirror there. I'm going to be pulling those out to the centre point as well. So when you let go, they fall. If you can imagine falling like building blocks, they're falling down and they're going to be even on both sides. So so that's what we're going to create. After that, I'm going to set it and probably come back in another 2 weeks and finish her off. Poor girl's been waiting for her hair for so long. So I'm going to lower the camera down a bit so that you can kind of see what I'm doing, and I'll probably work slightly to the side as well. And I'm going to be looking at the mirror rather than the camera. So so yes, there'll be no eye contact with us. Okay, right, okay. Hello, and it is the day after. Right, okay, so she has been set. I done it on a heated roller and she's come out really nice so far. So I'm going to back comb this out and just spray the life out of it with a little bit of VO5 and we will be done. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you the after effect very, very soon. As you can see, she's much bigger. She is full of life. Yeah, I'm quite looking forward to seeing this on the drag queen that it's for. But yeah, like you can see in the sides how layered she is, and you can also see how much body and movement she's going to have on stage compared to the way she was before. So yeah, thank you for watching everyone, and yeah, see you soon.